guys, it's Ritu and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this late night look right here. And if you're new to my channel, which you probably are, please consider subscribing and turning on the post notification bell. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. For today's base, I'm going to start with the MAC Strobe cream in the shade Goldlite, and I'm going to put this all over the high point of my face for a little sheen underneath the foundation. So I'm going to pop this over my cheekbones, my nose bridge, my chin, my forehead, everywhere you'd want a little glow on. And then I'm going to prime my face with the Benefit POREfessional primer, and I'm going to place this over my nose, on my cheeks, wherever you have pores. After that, I'm going to take a darker concealer, and I'm using the FitMe concealer in the shade Cafe, and I'm going to blend this out with my fingers. I'm basically doing this to cover up the darkness under my eyes. I'm using the Nyka SkinShield foundation for my base today, and I know that this foundation looks a little light on me right now, but that's because foundations oxidize on me really fast. So I tend to use a foundation that is a little lighter on me. After that, I'm going to use a concealer that matches my skin tone. For that, I'm using the Photofocus concealer by WetnWild in the shade Medium Deep Tan, and I'm going to place this around my mouth, over my dark circles, over the acne spots, and I'm going to blend it all out with the brush. And I like to leave my under eye concealer for a little while. Now I'm going to do my brows, and for that I'm using the WetnWild brow definer, and I'm going to extend my brows, fill them in, and I'm going to use this spoon to soften my brows. And now I'm going to blend out the concealer that I left out to dry, because when you leave your concealer out for a little while, it dries up and the coverage you get is more than what you would gotten if you would have blended it out when it wasn't as dried. Now I'm just using a lighter concealer to highlight the center of my face. So I'm just going to place it over my cheek, my chin, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and I'm going to blend it all out with a beauty sponge. After highlighting, I'm going to bronze up my face. So I'm just taking a big brush, and I'm going to bronze the parameters of my face to bring back some dimension and depth, and to bring back some dimension and warmth to my face. After that, I'm going to use blush. For that, I'm using the Nyka Cosmetics blush in Malibu Barbie, and I'm taking the lighter shade, I'm putting it all over my cheeks, and then I'm going to take the coral shade and I'm going to put it on the apples of my cheeks and on my nose, and I love Lush very much. After that, I'm just going to cinch in my nose, and I'm using the same bronzer to contour my nose. And now that all the powders are done, I'm just going to melt it all in, and I'm using the NYX setting spray all over my face, and I'm spritzing it all over my face. Now I'm going to use the I Heart Revolution's Dragon's Heart palette, and I'm going to take that brown shade and put it all over my crease, blend it out and upwards almost like a wing to elongate and make your eyes look more upturned. And I'm going to connect my lower lash line with the same color as well, and I'm going to bring the shadows into my nose contour to make it look a little more seamless. After that, I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm using a concealer. I put it over my lid, I look up, and when I look up there's a demarcation. I just follow that demarcation. It's like the perfect place to cut your crease. And I'm going to take a flat brush and just blend the concealer and cut the crease at the same time. After that, I'm going to take this gold shade and place it where I cut my crease, and I'm going to use the same flat brush, and then I'm going to use this liquid glitter shadow from Etude house, and I'm going to place it over the area, over the gold shade, and I'm going to use the brush to just spread the glitter particles. Now I'm going to draw my wing, and I'm so sorry that you guys can't see what my dumbass is doing, but I'll make sure to make an eyeliner tutorial on how I do my wing. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara, and I'm really focusing on my upper lashes. And I'm going to put 2-3 coats of mascara. Now I'm going to take the same mascara and put it over my brows as an alternative to a brow gel. But I also like to do it because it makes it look a little more bushier and thicker. But if you guys don't like that look, you can always use a clear gel. Now I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm going to pop this over the high points of my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, chin, etc. It's very pretty because it's not glittery, it's very skin-like. After that, I'm going to take Maybelline Lip Gradation in the shade Red 2, but turns out didn't like this color for this look. The color is very pretty, but I just wanted something more warm, so I switched to Lakme 95 liquid lipstick in the shade Burgundy Lush, and it's a very warm maroon brick reddish. I don't know, it's very pretty, it's very warm. Now I'm just making a few beauty spots. And that's the finished look. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.